Kyrgyzstan is a combination of harmony and purity of nature, mountaintops in the skies of 1,000 mountain lakes and raging rivers. In the Chronicle of World History, the Kyrgyz are described as one of the most ancient peoples which held high the banner of the great culture of nomads. The Kyrgyz are one of the main peoples of ancient history, moving from the east to the west and from the west to the east. In the most ancient times, the Kyrgyz occupied a leading place. In their time, they founded a great Kyrgyz Khaganate. In the north, Kyrgyzstan borders with Kazakhstan. In the west and the northwest, Uzbekistan. In the southwest, Tajikistan, and in the south and southeast, China. The length of the border of Kyrgyzstan is 4,503 kilometers. Its total area is 198,500 square kilometers. 94% of the territory of the country is mountainous. The average height above sea level is 2,750 meters. Some of the highest mountains in the world, Peak Pobeda, Khan Tengri, and Lenin Peak, are in Kyrgyzstan. Its stocks of pure water are some of the finest in the world. A special pride of Kyrgyzstan are fine, high mountainous lakes, Sarachilek, Chaturkul, and Isykkul, known to the world as the Pearl of Kyrgyzstan. A special point of natural beauty is the unique walnut forest of Arslanbab. Kyrgyzstan, a democratic country, declared its independence in 1991. The capital is Bishkek. The population of Kyrgyzstan is over 5 million people. It is a multinational state. The bases of the economy of Kyrgyzstan are agriculture, hydroenergy, mining, mineral processing, and manufacturing. Its liberal legislative base fosters an attractive investment climate, and its tax policy facilitates development. Kyrgyzstan is exceptionally well endowed with mineral deposits. It attracts investors from all over the world, and mining is considered one of the main supports of the economy of Kyrgyzstan. Kyrgyzstan takes one of the first places in the world in gold reserves. International experts have praised the laws on investment adopted by the country. Kyrgyzstan is an attractive and favorable country for investments in every respect. Kyrgyzstan is a country of unique environmental conditions and of monuments of ancient culture, creates an outstanding opportunity for tourism development. The interest of the world tourism is attracted by the pride of Kyrgyzstan, Süleyman Tağ, the sacred mountain, and the historical complexes of Uzgen and Burana, which are considered as standards of the ancient culture of the Karakhanids. These are all entered on the World List of Material Heritage of UNESCO. Many ancient monuments of culture and mankind's civilization are found in Kyrgyzstan. Kyrgyzstan is the center of a great culture. Incomparable with anything in the world, the oral poetic epic Manas was recognized by the United Nations as a world spiritual treasure of mankind in 1995. The 1000th anniversary of this epic was celebrated by the whole world in that year. The yurt, the Kyrgyz dwelling, takes a special place in the history of the civilization of mankind, created by the genius of the Kyrgyz and known today to the whole world. Kyrgyzstan, homeland of great mountains. Its unique quality is that cultures of different religions have existed and prospered in the territory of our country. There was an era when the main artery of the Great Silk Road passed through our beautiful land. Kyrgyzstan is a surprising country comprising the cultural riches of the whole world. Kyrgyzstan is a country with a big future. Welcome to the heart of Asia, to the country of great mountains and great culture.